Welcome to your third basic PHP tutorial. And right now I guess we're just going to be learning how to let PHP make a decision for us. What just happened? And to do that, we're going to be using something called if statements and else statements. What that basically is what we're saying. We'd be like, if my mom brings me a grilled cheese, I would be happy, else I will be angry. You know, if you want to put it into terms like that. So for the actual coding, I'll use a different example. First, let's set 3 variables for 3 numbers. First, 10. Second, can be 20. Third can equal 30. So what we can say is if. Now what you do for an if statement is put 2 parentheses afterwards, and then you put curly braces in all your code for the if. So we're saying if something happens in between these, then we'll do this. And then out here we'll do else, and then this will happen. So we're saying if first is less than second, we can echo this is true, else this is false. Save that. Now we can go and run it out. This is true because 10 is less than 20. But if we set it to first is greater than second, if first is greater than second, which it's not, it'll say this is true. But if it's not, which it's not, it'll say this is false. So let's refresh. This is false. So saying else in PHP is basically saying otherwise, or if that's not the case. It's very simple. Use it in every single PHP script. I don't know if you've seen my register and login tutorial, but you use a lot of if and else statements in there. Now let's see what happens if we set them equal to each other. And if it's a comparison, like if you're comparing first to second and you're trying to see if they're equal to each other, it's double equal sign. Now we'll go back here. This is false because they're not equal to each other. And to say if something's not equal, so we're saying if, you put exclamation mark and then equal. So we're saying if first is not equal to second, echo this is true. But we can say second, this is false, and then this is true. So as you can see, if and else can easily come in handy in almost every PHP script. This has been Peyton Dameron by PHPwners, and thanks for watching. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and